Hello and welcome to Costumes and Cocktails. Today's cocktail is called a bee's knees, which was likely to have been invented during Prohibition times. Now, I love the history of Prohibition. I think it's absolutely interesting. And the main idea basically was that when bathtub gins were being created, usually a low quality, really crappy alcohol that was fabled to have been put in a big metal bathtub and steeped with a bunch of botanicals, and thus the bathtub gin was created. But because it was poor quality alcohol, low grade, really bad taste, the bee's knees likely came up because it has honey in it as well as citrus, and those would ideally mask the inferior quality of that bootlegging alcohol. The gin that I've decided to use for this today is one of my favorite gins. It is Empress. It's this gorgeous blue color because of the pea flower, which also gives it a very magical property of color changing. And I think, number one, the botanicals are quite interesting. It's rose petal and cinnamon and coriander and citrus. But I think what else is really cool is it is such a symbol of how far gin has come since Prohibition days. No more bathtub gin, but amazing color changing gin. So of this, I will need 2 shots. Over ice, of course. Look at that color. This is a very simple cocktail and it only requires 3 ingredients, the second being a honey syrup. You can make it easy peasy, little bit of honey, little bit of water, warm it up, mix it up, and here we go, 1 shot. Now, normally you would combine all 3 ingredients, but because this is a color changing gin, I wanted to add the lemon last in the glass so you can see that magic. So we will shake, 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 senora. Now it's time to pour the chilled concoction into our glass. This cut crystal glass, I think, is right for the time. And then we add 1 shot of lemon juice, which will do the magic. Garnish with a lemon twist and time for the taste. It's not quite what I was expecting. It's a little lemon heavy. Oh, JC.
Is it bad?
It's so boring. Oh, it's super lemony. I don't know. Maybe I didn't mix this correctly. I think what I'm gonna do is add a little bit more of the honey syrup and stir it up. That might be able to fix it. I've added the syrup and it's so much better. I think that is a user error. Make sure to balance the lemon and the honey syrup. It is a really good and interesting way to drink gin. Not super calorie heavy, because honey isn't the worst. Lemon juice. I'm actually a really big fan of this. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next week on some costumes and cocktails.